Okay, transmit a 500 megawatt electric power, operates with 100 kilovolt. Okay, having the 5 ohm resistance per kilometer. We have to calculate the load current, line losses, area cross section required, and the volume of conductor required. Okay, so we have to first of all write down the given data. Okay, so two wire DC system with one conductor earth having length of 400 kilometer. Okay, that is we required the data. 400 kilometer is the length of the line. Okay, and 500 megawatt we have to transmit the that much amount of electrical power. Okay, so we have to find out the area cross section required, line losses, and the volume of conducting material required, and load current also. So okay, first step we have to follow to write the given data. Write the given data whatever given in the numericals. Okay, so write down it. I think numerical is so much easy if you know the formulas for this one. Okay. Have you understood this numerical? Yes. Tell me what they have given, what we have to find out. Yes. Tell me anyone. Yes. Am I audible? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So write down the given data. He has mentioned over there the two wire DC system with one conductor earthed. Okay. While studying the supply scheme, we have seen that the first case, that is what the two wire DC system with one conductor earthed. Okay. So we have to use the all formulas which is included in the two wire DC system with one conductor earthed. Okay. So find out the load current. First of all, find out the load current. Find out the load current. Load current calculation of load current is easy. Find the load. Find out the load current first. Am I audible? Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Calculate the load current first of all by using the formula. Yes. How much amount of current will flow through the load? Yes. Tell me, anyone. Calculate the load current. Tell me how much amount of load current will flow through the line. Tell me. Yes. Yes. Tell me load current how much? Am I audible? Yes. Yes. Am I audible? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So
So
calculate the
calculate
load
the
current first
first
of
of
all.
all.
How much amount of current will flow through? Yes. Tell me anyone. Tell me one thing in case of two-wire DC system with one conductor R3 used to transmit the 500 megawatt power. Okay. So in that case, we have to find out the load current. It will be found by using the power which is to be transmitted using the terminal voltage. Okay. Find out the load current first of all. How much will be the load current? Tell me, anyone? Yes, how much load current will flow through the conductor? Tell me. Based on that one, we will going to decide the line loss, area cross section will be found. Okay, another answer for the load current, tell me. So in order to find out the load current, what we have to first of all know, we have to know the load uh, terminal voltage and the power to be transmitted. Okay, the power transmitted he has mentioned over there 500 megawatt means what? 500 into 10 to the power of 6 into watt. We have to first of all convert the units. Okay, we have to convert it into the watt. Okay, and terminal voltage he has mentioned over there 100 kilovolt. That should be converted into the voltage or the volt by multiplying with 10 raised to power 3. Okay, then and then only we can uh, get the value of load current in ampere. Okay, otherwise not. We have to first of all convert the higher units into their basic units like power into watt and voltage into volt. Okay, not kilovolt, not a megawatt like that. First of all, we have to convert that units into their base units. Okay, so tell me the load current how much? Tell me one thing, in case of two-wire DC system with one conductor earthed, what is the formula for the load current? I1 is equal to what? Yes,
P upon VM.
P upon Vm. Vm means what? The terminal voltage. P is nothing but what? Power to be transmitted. Okay, so just divide take the ratio of these two terms. We will get the value for the load current. How much? Tell me. I1 is how much? Yes. Yes, how much load current will be? 500 into 10 to the power of 6 divided by 100 into 10 to the power of 3. How much it will be? Yes. I have got the two answers. One is 5 ampere and another one is 5000 ampere. So which one is the correct? 5000 ampere, it is the correct value for the current. Okay. So tremendous amount, that is what the 500 megawatt electric power has to be transmitted. Means what? That much amount of current will flow through the conductors. Okay, the load current will be 5000 ampere. Okay, so then decide the line losses, how it will be calculated. Line loss in case of the two wire DC system. What is the formula for this one? Refer the table. What is the value formula for the line loss? Tell me, anyone. Refer that table. What is the formula for this one? We have to do this, means what, the given problem, it is very important because of we are going to calculate the load current, line loss, area cross section required, and volume of conductor required for the all 10 cases for the same numerical. Okay, so we have to do this numerical very carefully, first numerical, because of with compared to this two wire DC system with one conductor, all supply schemes are we can say that evaluated or uh, discuss on that basis only. Okay, so do this numerical very carefully. What is the value for the line loss? Tell me. Yes, anyone tell me? You can mute yourself and tell me answer. 24 people are connected. Tell me, anyone. Otherwise, I will call the numbers. Tell me roll number 4. What is the value for the line loss? Mute yourself and tell me.
2 P square rho L by A1 V square M.
Line loss is equal to what? How much? Formula for this one, tell me.
2P square rho L upon A1 V square M.
Yes. So calculate this one. Or another formula for this one, the basic formula for the line loss is equal to what? 2 into I square R1. R1 is what? Already
R1.
given that. Okay. I is we have calculated. So from this one directly we can calculate. Okay. May I calculate like this line losses? Yes, tell me.
Yes, yes.
So tell me how much line loss will be there? 2 into I1 square into R1. I1 is how much? 5000 ampere. We have to square that one and multiplied with 5. Okay. So finally tell me how much amount of loss will be there? Line losses will be how much? Simple calculation, tell me. Roll number 8, tell me how much line loss will be? Yes, mute yourself and tell me. Roll number 8. Yes, roll number 8, tell me how much line losses will be there? Yes. Roll number 10, tell me. Okay, correct one. Go ahead. Calculate the area cross section for this one. Roll number 11. Answer is correct. Okay. Area cross section. Find out it. 215 to 10 to the power of 6 watt. It is the line loss will be there inside the conductor. Okay. 215 to 10 to the power of 6 watt. Correct one. Calculate the area cross section required. So tell me, anyone, the formula for the area cross section in terms of power to be transmitted, length of conductors or the line loss and terminal voltage. Tell me formula for this one. Roll number 15. Tell me. Roll number 15. Tell me. Mute yourself and tell me what is the formula for the area cross section for the two wire DC system with one conductor earth. Tell me. Roll number 15. Am I audible? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So tell me, what is the formula for the area cross section of conductor required? Tell me. Refer the table. I am kindly informing you that you should refer the table. Into that table, you will get the all formulas. Tell me, for the area cross section, what is the formula for that one? A1 is equal to 2p square rho L divided by W into Vm square. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So calculate the area cross section. 2 into P square. P means what? 500 megawatt. Okay. Rho means what? Specific resistance or the resistivity. Okay. So consider it is aluminum conductors. Okay. ACSR conductors are there. Okay. So the resistivity for the ACSR conductor or the aluminum conductors 2.8 into 10 to the power of minus 8 ohm per meter. Okay. This is what the specific resistance of aluminum conductors. Okay. Value for the rho is equal to what? 2.8 into 10 to the power of minus 8 ohm per meter. Write down it. He has given that resistance 5 ohm per kilometer. He has mentioned there. Okay. Vm is already known. W already known. Length is already known. Okay. So calculate the line losses. Sorry, area cross section. Tell me anyone answer. Yes. Put the value for the P, rho, L, W. L should be converted into meter. Remember that unit conversion while solving the numericals is very important. Okay. So 2 into P square means what? 500 into 10 to the power of 6 whole square into 2.8 into 10 to the power of minus 8 into 400 into 10 to the power of 3 divided by W means what? You have calculated that 250 into 10 to the power of 6 watt. Okay, line loss will be 250 into 10 to the power of 6 watt. Okay, into Vm is how much? Vm is already given that into the numerical, that is what? 100 kilovolt. Okay, so kilovolt is converted into volt, that is what? It should be multiplied with 10 to the power of 3. 100 into 10 to the power of 3. Okay, whole square. So find out the area cross section required. Calculation you have to do very fastly, otherwise you will not get the sufficient time to solve or attempt the all question. Okay, so improve your calculation capability. Okay, you have to calculate very fastly. So calculate it first. Area cross section, tell me anyone. That area cross section of conductor required, it will be a per kilometer. Okay, because of he has mentioned there a total length. Okay, and it will be converted into the meter and rho, that is what the resistivity or the specific resistance of aluminium or ACSR conductors. Yes. How much the area cross section of conductor required? Tell me anyone fast. Because of already we have spent that 25 minutes for the only one numericals. Okay. So calculate it first. Yes, how much? Anyone tell me what is the answer for the area cross section required? Yes, I already told you that the formula for the area cross section of conductor required for the two-wire DC system with one conductor earthed, which is equal to what? 2p square rho L divided by W into Vm square. Okay, we have to put the just value whichever already we have given that, or we have calculated that line loss. That is what? The 250 into 10 to the power of 6 watt. Okay, and already we have known that all values, already peak values, or sorry, nominal voltage is already known, that is what? Vm is equal to 100 kilovolt. Okay, that should be converted into the first of all 100 into 10 to the power of 3 volt. Okay, so tell me, what is the value for the area cross section of conductor required? Yes,
सर रो इक्वल टू काय घ्यायचंय?
I have already told that rho means what? The specific resistance. I have given that example for this one. We are generally using the ACSR conductor, that is what? The aluminium conductors having the specific resistance or the resistivity is equal to what? 2.8 into 10 to the power of minus 8 ohm per meter. If it is a copper conductor, means what? 1.72 into 10 to the power of minus 8 ohm per meter. We have to use the value for the rho. Okay, so I have told that it is ACSR conductors. Okay, aluminium conductors. So that's why we have to consider the value for the rho, which is equal to 2.8 into 10 to the power of minus 8 ohm per meter. Okay, so calculate it fast. I have got one answer from, yes, roll number 13. 10 to the power of, I think your answer is correct, but 10 to the power of 11. Manjali, you should mute yourself and tell me the 10 to the power of minus 11 or plus 11. Yes?
सर कॅल्क्युलेटर मध्ये प्लस आहे.
Yes? कॅल्क्युलेटर मध्ये काय म्हणतो?
मायनस
हा?
प्लस आहे, प्लस आहे. तसं काही दिलं नाहीये त्यांनी, नुसतं 11 केलंय.
कैसे कॅल्सी मध्ये करताय की मोबाईल मध्ये करताय कॅल्क्युलेशन?
कॅल्सीवर.
मग व्यवस्थित व्हॅल्यू पुट करा. बघा, जर आपण सुरुवातीपासून व्हॅल्यू पुट केल्या तर 500 into 10 to the power of 6 होल स्क्वेअर. आता बघा काय होतं की इंडायसिस मध्ये पॉवर ऑफ पॉवर मीन्स व्हॉट? देअर मल्टिप्लिकेशन शुड बी डन. म्हणजे काय होईल बघा, 2 into 500 into 500 into 10 to the power of 12 होईल. ठीक आहे. आता त्या होल ब्रॅकेटचा स्क्वेअर तुम्ही कसं करणार आहात बघा, 500 into 500 into 10 to the power of 12 येईल आणि into 2.8 into 10 to the power of minus 8 into 400 into 10 to the power of 3 डिवाइड मध्ये काय येईल बघा, 250 into 10 to the power of 6 आणि into 100 into 10 to the power of 3 into होल स्क्वेअर. ओके, या पूर्ण ब्रॅकेटचा स्क्वेअर आहे 100 into 10 to the power of 3 चा होल स्क्वेअर. याचं मिनिंग काय आहे की 100 into 100 into 10 to the power of 6 असं होईल पॉवर. आता पुढे कॅल्क्युलेट करा बघा, कारण तुमचा जो पॉवर येतोय तो आय थिंक चुकीचा आहे. तो व्यवस्थित कॅल्क्युलेट करा, कारण तो मायनस मध्ये येईल मे बी. Yes, another one answer for this one. Yes. Yes. 10 to the power of minus 3. Okay. Roll number 11. You have, I think, got the correct answer, maybe. Okay. 2.24 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Okay. What is the unit for this one? Roll number 11, mute yourself and tell me. Yes. Unit for this one? Yes. Shirsagar Prashant is there? Tell me what is the answer for this area cross section? Yes. Roll number 29. Tell me.
Yes, sir.
What is the value for the area cross section? Tell me. Have you calculated?
Calculation करते sir.
Yes. Roll number 36. After long time, I think you have joined the PS1 lecture. So what's your problem? Adnan? Yes? Mute yourself and tell me what's your problem. Roll number 36. I think you have joined after. Yes? Roll number 36. Am I audible? Yes? Yes? Roll number 36 is there or not? Okay, meter square. Area cross section will be in meter square. Okay. Roll number 36, what is your answer? Yes, roll number 33, tell me what's your answer. Roll number 37, what's your answer for the area cross section? Yes? Yes, roll number 37, tell me. Area cross section of conductor required, tell me. Yes? Yes? Roll number 26, tell me. Have you calculated the answer for the area cross section? Yes? Roll number 36, tell me answer. Roll number 23. Amay Kumar, tell me, what is your answer? Yes? Roll number 18. Roll number 7. I think I have seen 5 to 6 answer. Why you are getting the different answer? Tell me. First one I think 2.24 into 10 to the power of 11, 2.24 into 10 to the power of minus 3, and another one answer is 2,24,000 into 10 to the power of minus 3. And now I have got the answer 2.24 into 10 to the power of minus 16, 16. So what is the exact answer? Tell me. Yes. Yes. So I have calculated that I have got the answer 22.4 into 10 to the power of minus 5 meter square. The area cross section of conductor required. Yes, roll number I think 23. Tell me what is your answer? Yes. Roll number 37. Tell me what
Yes,
is
sir.
your answer? तुमचं काय आन्सर आले रोल नंबर 37?
राईट केलं नसेल मी चॅट बॉक्स मध्ये टाकलं होतं.
Okay. Yes, roll number 23. Yes. 22.4 into 10 to the power of minus 5 meters square. I have got the answer. If it is, I think this one is correct. You can refer this. Otherwise, you can calculate and got the correct answer. Okay. So find out the volume of conductor material required. Okay. Just a calculation part is important. Okay. Volume of conductor material required. So tell me formula for this one. 2-wire DC system with one conductor earthed. Tell me, what is the formula for this one? Rule number 27, tell me. Yes, Shubham Kate, tell me. Yes. Roll number 29, have you got the answer for the area cross section? Yes.